Welcome to the Knowledge Point IT viewers. Today we are going to learn how to create and use the Google Docs instead of using MS Word. Actually, we are using the Microsoft Word to write the report or prepare any documentation. But unfortunately, when we face any difficulties such as the Microsoft account activation failed or any of the expiration of the Microsoft product key, and then the Microsoft will ask the product key. So at that moment, we need another tool to create the document. So actually, the Google provide the facility through the Google Docs. So we can create the document as like we create in the MS Word. So today I am going to demonstrate to how to use the Google Docs and what are the features are available in Google Docs. I'll move to you to the Google Docs. You need to select your Google Chrome browser. Then you will find the Google apps in your top of the right corner of the Google browser. Then you need to click on that, and here this is the option to choose the Google Docs. Just click on that. Now the Google Docs is opening. Here Google Docs provides so much of template gallery. You need to click on the template gallery, and here if you're going to prepare the resume, you can select the existing template. Just click on the template, and the only thing that you want to do is you need to manipulate the template. So you can easily change the document and prepare your document easily. If you want to prepare the letter, the, that's also you can create from the template. And you can create the pet resume recipe. If you are working in a company, you need to prepare the project proposal, meeting notes, and newsletter, brochure, onboarding notes. You can prepare those through the particular template. And if you're a student, you need to write a report or essay or book report or lesson plan or something. So you can prefer and select the preferable template that you want, and you can apply the template. Now I'm going to demonstrate you how to create the on blank document. So you need to click on the blank document, then you will get the blank document. Here you need to provide the title of the document. Just click on the untitled document, and you need to provide the name of the document. I'll provide demo. This is the document name. Then you don't need to save. Automatically the Google Chrome save your document. The only thing is you need the internet connection. Then will only the document will be saved under your Google Drive. So those are the menus as like in the MS Word: File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Let me see. Let me see by one. Actually, when we are typing, we need to consider the font. Those are the font style. You can select any of the font as like the MS Word. Here I'm selecting this Meriwether. Yes, typing like report. Yeah, and you can increase the font size and decrease the font size that you want. And you can bold your text, italic your text, underline your text by selecting the particular text and apply it. If you want to color this text, you need to click on that and put the color. And then if you want to highlight this, you can select that and choose the highlight color and pick it. If you want to insert any of the link, you can copy paste the link from the web browser and paste it here. And it is another thing, if you want to add the comment, you need to click the comment, which means I'm typing, please refer this document, docs, and I'm mentioning the responder email address. Then this email responder will get the message as well as the document with this command. I'm assigning this responder. Then we need to give the privilege. The share person should be edit this document or only view the command. I'll pick the editor. Then the shared person will get the document and he or she can make changes. And this is the option here. When we share this document through the link, anyone with the link can view this document. So those are the privileges. And here this is the option to insert the image. If I want to insert the image, I need to click, and there is the option upload through the PC or computer. So we can upload from our own computer. Just pick this from the downloads. So I need to select the downloads. And here, yeah, image has been added. Then if you want to change the paragraph alignment, you can click on that and change the alignment. The paragraph lines and spacing you can change. If you want to add the bullets and numbering for your list, I'm adding list 1, list 2. I need to change that. I need to change that. Here the list 1, list 2, list 3. And here I need to select the numbering. If you want to put the bullets, you need to select the bullets. In this manner, you can put your points under the bullets and numbering. And another thing that is, if you want to find a particular word, you need to choose the find and replace from the edit menu. Here, I want to I want to find the word that is list, and I would like to change this as menu. So you can observe the finding word highlighted in the green color, and it will be replaced with menu word, replace all. Here you can observe the change that I made. And another thing under the edit menu, that is, if you copy any of the phrase from, and here you can paste through the edit menu. here I'm copying from this text. Just copy, go to the edit menu and paste. Well, the copy text has been pasted here. And under the view menu, there's the option to show up the ruler, that is the show commands. And here this is the option to view the screen in full screen mode. Then you will view the screen in full screen mode. Another thing is, if you want to add any toolbar, you need to go to the view and select the toolbar. Under the insert, you can insert the image through the upload computer. You can search the image through the web and upload it here. You can get the image from the Google Drive. You can get the image from the Google Photos. You can download the image by providing the particular URL, and you can take the photo and attach here through the camera. And another thing, if you want to make the table, you can make via the selecting the table. And another thing, if you want to make the graph, which means the bar graph or column graph, you can select. You can upload the graph through from the Excel sheet or a Google sheet. And another thing, you can add the drop down. Here you can put the options to select. And another thing, you can put the equations, you can put the headers and footers to your document. You can add the page numbers to the document. You can add the link to this document. You can add comment. I have already told this. And you can add the table of content, which means what are the headings that are included in the document. So you will insert the following things to the insert menu. Under the format menu, there's the option for a text styling. You can bold your text, italic, underline, strike through, superscript. So much of the things are available. And another thing, if you want to set through the columns, you can set through the columns, and you can put the page numbers. You can change the page orientation, which means landscape or a portrait. You can select your paper format mode. Another thing, under the tools, you can check your spelling and grammar. Automatically, when you are writing your report, it will correct your spelling and grammar. If you want to check your word count, just click on the word count, and then the pages will be calculated. The number of words, characters, all are appeared. Under the tools, there's the option review suggested edits and compare documents, which means you can compare both documents. You can select upload your document to the Google Drive and compare the present document with your Google Drive document as well. And another thing, if you want to add the citations, which mean you are writing the report according to multiple reference. So you referred a lot. So you need to provide the reference, that which means the which from which you have referred, or the source of the information. So you need to provide the reference by choosing the APA, and here you need to add citation source. I have already mentioned how to add citation in MS Word. As like this manner, you can add the source type. Then you need to provide, if you are selecting the website, you need to put the URL and cite manually. So those are the options to for a citation. and you can link your objects, you can find the dictionary and check your spelling and grammar. And another thing is you can translate your document to from any of the language to any of the language. Here this document is in English language. I would like to change this document to Tamil. So just click on the translate document. I need to choose the language. I need to select the Tamil. So select translate. The translated Tamil document prepare within a second. You have on you have prepared your translated document with no effort. So the only thing, the source of the document in English, we are preparing the translated document in any of the language within a minute. So if you want to type your report by talking or giving the voice or giving some of the instruction, you need to choose the voice typing. Here this is the option. You need to click on the microphone and start to speak. Need to type the word. I need to spell. Yeah, it typed it as I taught. So you don't worry about the time consuming. You can say any of the paragraph, the much number of counts of the word. The document will be prepared according to your instruction without any writing. So that is the features upon the tools. Another thing is notification settings. And here you can prefer the comments who are going to comment to your document, and those are the content you will get notification from the commenters. And another thing is you can set the preferences. What are the features that you are going to insert to this document? And another thing, that is the accessibility. Who are going to access this document? If the person wants to see this document in the magnifier support, you need to provide this accessibility to this document. Then only the user will be get the magnifier settings and view the document in the magnifier mode. And another thing is you can add the extension through the extension menu. And here there's the option, that is the help. Under the help you can get the updates. Under the help you can get the keyboard shortcuts. So much of things. If you want to check the last edit of the document, you can click on the time icon, and here the last edit was 2 minutes ago, so you can find the last edit time. And here this is the open comment history. You can click on them and you see the history of the comments provided by the viewers. And here this is the option, join a call here and present this document. If you are creating this document, at that point maybe you have any clarifications or you need any of the communication with other members, so you can start the call and with this along with the document, and you can present this document well to the discussor. So that is the another option. And you can share the document by typing the email address of the responders, and you can pass any message like please check. Then the responder person will get the email. along with the document. And here another option, that is the copy link. You can just copy the link and give the access. Then you will copy and paste the link through any of the social media. Then the responder will get the document through this link. And I missed the menu, that is the file menu. Just click on the file menu. Here there's the option to create another document as like the MS Word. You need to select the new document. If you want to open the document in your computer or a laptop, you need to open a document. If you want to make a copy or duplicate this document, make a copy. If you want to share this document, you need to share and provide the email. If you want to share this document through this email straightly, you need to select the email this file. If you want to download and save this document, there's the multiple file options, such as you can download your document in the MS Word form, PDF form, web page form. I'm downloading through the MS Word form, and here I'm downloading through the PDF document. Here I'm opening the document. Yeah, I'll get the document in the downloaded PDF. And I'm opening this document through the MS Word. Please be wait. And another thing is, if you want to remove the document, you need to move and bin. If you want to move the document from one folder to another folder in Google Drive, you need to select the move option. And here, this is the preference to change the language of the MS Docs. You can change the language. And here, there's a page setup. If you want to print your document, you need to select the print option. And here you need to provide the number of pages that you want to print, and you need to set the color as like the in the MS Word. So actually, I think I'll hope and I'll think you will understand how to use the Google Docs instead of using MS Word. Actually, the Google Docs is the best thing rather than the MS Word. So let do and practice the Google Docs to create the document in your own way. So we'll meet in another video.